Jump on the trampoline. Do a flip.
Go back flip. You're gonna have to go all the way back. Keep your knees bent all the way over. Keep them bent. Yeah, do a back flip with the bent knees.
Woo!
It's like I'm on the moon.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Jump higher. All right, if you're ready, I'll have you jumps. Do you want to do it?
Do you want to do it, Kaya? It's just like jumping on a tramp. You don't have to go that high.
Do you want to do it? Yeah.
Do a front flip, Abby.
Take your jacket off.
Wait.
Oh. Those are harder, huh? Yeah! Woo!
Try it. Go up there. You're okay. Jump.
Woo!
So fun.
She doesn't have to, babe, if she doesn't want to.
She already said she does. Can you do a front flip?
Yeah.
Do it.
That's so awesome.
Do another back flip.
Try and do two.
Do what?
Try and do two. Two backflips.
Spin real hard.
Get it real good.
Spin?
Yeah.
Real hard. Twice.
Keep going, keep going. Yeah. That was pretty cool.
Okay, you ready? Okay. We set her up high? Sure.
Do it. Whoa! You don't have to jump that high, babe. You can jump really low.
Okay, Kaya, you're going to want to try it, okay?
It's just like jumping on the tramp, sweetie.
Yeah. Wait, Kaya. No, hey.
Keep it on.
Wait.
Just wait.